discussion with the school with respect to the dorm that was raised yesterday. Yesterday we received the results and this school did very well. So when the dorm is raised down and the investigations are going on to find out the cause, of course it dampened the celebration. So I thought I'd just come by to provide for them the little that we have to ensure that they are well taken care of, but also to confirm that the students who are affected have been provided a separate dormitory where they are now put in just to make sure that they are comfortable and that to agree on what we're going to do after the investigations are completed. And now we're going to put up the dormitory so that the students can be safe. So that's why I came by. What we're going to do is assess the situation once the investigation is completed and our quality assurance team is in the ground. Once we have a report, we'll make a decision on what support we give them as a ministry and as individuals. And as well wishers, we'll be able to support them so that they are as comfortable as possible, just the Kenyan way. That's what we're going to do, but should there be need for the ministry to chip in through the normal infrastructure resources, we shall do so, so that the dormitory is done. The fresh registration, though we've not worked out all the regulations and the parameters, but the intention is to ensure that the students who sometimes face predicaments during exams or during the doing one subject or taking one subject, and then it affects all their subjects because of that one incident, we give them an opportunity mid-year to remedy that so that they can go to whatever college, whatever tertiary institution that they are going into with the rest of the students in September. So it is an intervention that we have come up with as a ministry to ensure that no student is disadvantaged by circumstances that are beyond them. Sometimes this could be like for girls who probably have become pregnant and they're doing the exams for maternity, or children who have lost a parent and they're doing the examination during a difficult time, or they are unwell, or whatever reason. Then you find that the performance is affected by that one subject or two subjects. They are now allowed to come back in July and undertake that examination in order for them to improve their grades. There are private students who do their private or adult classes. That is a decision that they will have to make themselves, because it will depend on what do they really want to achieve. They can study on their own because they've gone through the syllabus, or they can join a school and continue studying in a repeat form. There is freedom of choice in what they're going to do. But we are working on the regulations and the policies to guide that process. We think resolves a lot of challenges that a lot of the students have been suffering, so that we do not have a situation where just by virtue of you getting one subject wrong, your life is determined by that.